How do you do, everybody? This is your teacher Nelida. Now in this opportunity with my avatar. Today I am Simpson. I hope you love it. Yeah, I love it. But now in this video I am going to talk about linkers of contrast or connectors of contrast. One of the basic connector of contrast is this word, but. With this word, we connect two clauses. For example, she was a little sick, but she traveled to Uyuni Solflot. Here we are connecting two clauses, but there is a contrast, positive, negative, or negative, positive. Now we are going to learn other words, fancy words, instead of but. For that, we are going to talk about our beautiful place that is Uyuni. We are going to talk about this place to give you examples. Now we are going to divide these fancy words, these fancy connectors, in three groups. Group number 1, though, although, even though. Group number 2, despite, in spite of. Group number 3, however, and nevertheless. Let's start with the group number 1. We are going to join two clauses as well. She has gone to Uyuni Solflot on one side. On the other side, she was a little sick. We are going to contrast these two ideas. Instead of but, we can use though, although, or even though. It means she has gone to Uyuni Solflot, though she was a little sick. Or she has gone to Uyuni Solflot, although she was a little sick. Or she has gone to Uyuni Solflot even though she was a little sick. These are other alternatives for but. But we can use these words at the beginning as well, not in the middle as but. They are a little bit flexible, so you can say, though she was a little sick, she has gone to Uyuni Solflot. Although she was a little sick, she has gone to Uyuni Solflot. Or, even though she was a little sick, she has gone to Uyuni Solflot. The only difference that is you put at the beginning of your sentence or your two clauses, and you need to separate both clauses with a comma. In this case, punctuation is necessary. Talking about group number 2, despite and in spite of, we need a noun or a gerund to use these two contrast connectors. For example, having little money, this is a gerund. Having little money, this is a gerund. We can say she has gone to Uyuni Solflot despite having little money. Or she has gone to Uyuni Solflot in spite of having little money, using a gerund. Well, Also, we can use gerund. Oh, also we can use a noun or a noun phrase. For example, her small salary. She has gone to a universal flat despite her small salary or in spite of her small salary. Also, it is possible to use these two connectors at the beginning. As in this example, despite having little money, she has gone to a universal flat. Or, in spite of having little money, she has gone to a universal flat. We are using the gerund. Or we can use the noun or the noun phrase. Despite her small salary, or in spite of her small salary, she has gone to a universal flat. And now, as well, punctuation is necessary. In this case, a comma to separate both clauses. Now, in the third group, we have however and nevertheless. For that, we are going to use punctuation, a period or a semicolon. And we have, for example, she was sick. She was a little sick. However, she has gone to a universal flat. She was a little sick. Nevertheless, she has gone to a universal flat. Instead of the period, one more time, you can use semicolon. Then the connector, however, nevertheless, plus comma, then your second clause. Well, that's it. That's it about linkers of contrast. Now it's your turn to complete these sentences. Here we have 5 sentences that need to be connected with a linker of contrast. In this case, we are going to use however, although, and despite. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and you learned about connectors of contrast. See you in another opportunity. Bye!